Your website doesn't work and shows the error of too many redirects? Let's go through the list of the most common problems. Here is the list of 7 steps to resolve. Update URLs in wp-config file, update URLs in the database, regenerate htaccess file, disable plugins one by one, clear browser cookies, clear the cache, check the SSL settings. Let's go now one by one in more details. Update wp-config file. Make sure that wp home and wp site URL is either both HTTP or HTTPS. Where do you find this file? Normally you have to go in the root folder of your website. Update URLs in the database. Make sure that site URL and home URL are either both HTTP or both HTTPS. How do you find it? You go in PHP MyAdminer, and after you find the table called WP Options, and you find site URL and home URL and click little pencil Edit. Regenerate your htaccess file. First, make duplicate of htaccess file. After, delete all the content and paste a brand new. You can find it in the description of this video. And where do you find normally this htaccess file? It's home www and website folder. Website folder is the name of your website / and htaccess. Disable plugins one by one. You can make it via WP admin panel, or you can go inside of your folder of the website, WP content, and after to find the folder called plugins and rename it. This will deactivate all the plugins at one time. Clear browser cookies. For this, there are two methods. First method, where you type normally the address of your website, there is a little locker. You press on this locker, and after you see the line called cookies, and this will open a new window with all the cookies that you have for this website. And after, you just delete all of them. Or alternatively, you can go inside of your browser. In the top right corner, you have 3 dots. You click on it, and after you find more tools, and after you find clear browsing data, and after you clear the data for all the cookies that you had for the 24 hours, 44 hours, and etc. You can delete all of them. Clear the cache. You can use any plugin that is installed for your WordPress website. Me, I have Lightspeed cache, and I will purge all the cache for my website. Now check the settings for your SSL certificate. Normally you would use flexible, but in some options it can be full or full strict. Try to experiment, one of them will work for you.